So I got a call from a company this week telling me to come and pick up my waybill at their park. And getting a call from that Christmas, my heart was just full of joy because already I know. So, if today is your first time seeing this beautiful face, you are highly welcome. Today is your first time coming across this channel. My name is Patience Best. Make video from Enugu, Nigeria. And to my returnees, thank you for tuning in back to my channel. I make videos around cooking, vlogs, DIY beauties, just everything in between. And if you feel this kind of video interests you, please do well to subscribe. So today's video is all about updating you guys on the current stuff I got from a company which I have been dealing with since 2022. I got a gift that is coming down to Enugu all the way from Lagos. So this gift package is from a company I registered with, and what this company does is contribution, and the contribution is a weekly contribution. You get to contribute 1,300 naira weekly, and by the end of 50 weeks all your money will be given back to you, including 100% of what you contributed with this company. Throughout the 2023, I did my contribution. I completed my 50 weeks with this company, and at the end of that 50 weeks, this company gave me a whopping cash prize. Yes, they gave me back the money I contributed, and extra 100% of what I contributed, and also 30k worth of incentives. Oh my god, who does that? Who does that in this economy? So going back to last 2 years, I did the same contribution with this company. I did 4 portions. The 4 portions I made is contributing 1,003 into 4 places. So I did the 4 portions with this company, and they gave me my cash after 50 weeks of doing the contribution, and they also give me extra 100% of what I contributed, plus incentives worth 30k for each package. So guys, this is my second time of receiving gift package from this company, and this time around the package is huge. It's huge. The last 2 years I did contribution for 4 packages with them, and they gave me incentives worth 30k for each packages. So this year I did 10 portions with them, and the package they gave to me was so huge. And I did some videos which I never posted here on YouTube, and the reason being that some people are always skeptical about joining this kind of stuff. They find it very difficult. Maybe they feel it's a Ponzi scheme, is scam, so that's why I didn't post it out. So this is 3 years after getting my first gift from this company. I have lots of unboxing to do today. All the packages comes in boxes, like Peace Max Logistics, they have to package it in 17 box, like it was huge. So this is the picture of what we are going to be unboxing today. So stay tuned to see the goody things that came in all the way from Lagos to me. All these are free of charge. I didn't contribute into this money. It's just a thank you incentive for contributing with this company. And if you're really interested on this one, just comment down below and take it from there. So after getting the message, I quickly took my baths, freshen up, get my way down to the park to pick up the waybill. So on reaching there, I saw the package which I'm looking forward to pick up, and yes, it was huge, very massive. So stay tuned and let me share with you guys all the goodies. So while unboxing, let me quickly tell you guys about this company and how they operate. I noticed I haven't mentioned their name. So the name of the company is Noble Mary's Ventures. So it's a food network marketing company that offers a great opportunity to help you keep food on your table and at the same time become financially stable. Noble Mary is a company duly registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission of Nigeria, CAC. So how do this company make their money? This is another question I usually get each time I try to introduce this company to many of my friends and folks. So, Noble Mary Ventures are into diverse kinds of businesses such as agricultural food storage, production and food packaging, distributorship, sales and project partnerships. They don't stop there. They keep expanding their scopes of businesses and keep blazing the trails to stardom. This is the first gift I'm unboxing. Can you guys tell me the price of this thing at the comment section? How much do you think this is sold at your area? Or if you use this brand of oil, how much is it sold at your area? So this company is managed by Mrs. Anthony Iwunze P. Ogechi. She is the MD and CEO of Noble Mary's Ventures. Indeed, this woman is wise, intelligent, and very, very industrious. She is down to earth if you know her in person. So this company's goal is to offer their members outstanding services that enables them to expand their businesses and present themselves in the best possible heights. So the vision of this company is to guarantee food security and everything else that make every family happy at home. But tell me, who wouldn't be happy after getting all those stuff from them? Once again, I am super grateful, Noble Mary, for keeping to your words and touching lives in a massive way. Noble Mary will never run dry. My prayer is that Noble Mary will keep flourishing until every lives and family is touched in this country, because they keep to their words and they make it come to pass. So, here in another box is my Indomie. I also have another oil, Lazis oil, and this is 1.6 liters. My good time. Another roll of Milo. And this is not chicken. So this is it, guys. This is 5 kg of semo, 5 kg. Another 5 kg. Another 5 kg of semo. And this is 3 kg of rice. This is 3 kg of rice.
Indomie and oil, chocolate and milk. A box in this box. That means you should sit down.
Get me a chair from outside.
Chachi. another Indomie. Right here. This is recording. Recording. Use this one for unboxing hot sauce.
Sure, here goes another oil.
Another one on the side here. Another rice. Jesus. Making so much noise. Look at the rice. How did it eat? Used to feed everything that is in this house. Not right. Mommy, Mom, the thing is recording. The thing is off every time. It's off every time.
Oh,
This is off.
that's the end of my unboxing. All those things come for contributing with Noble Mary. This oil, all this oil you are seeing here, all are free of charge. Semolina, rice, free of charge. Indomie, free of charge. If you are in this country, if you are in Nigeria, you don't need to be told the prices of things in the market. You don't need to be told the prices of foodstuffs in the market. Just like this, no. The last time I bought this, I bought it at the rate of 1,400 naira. Imagine this packet, 1 4, and I got 10 packets out from them. Those Lasix oil. Even this milk, these are creamer for teas. Like Noble Mary gave me all this stuff. This is a thank you for partnering with them, for doing business with them. So guys, this is a clearer view of all I got from this company. All these things are worth 300k. I have took my time to do the calculations, and all these foodstuffs, they are worth 300k. Like, I am super grateful. Noble Mary say the word and they keep to their words and promises. And guys, joining this company is not hard. So if you want to join this company, they have a website where you can check all about them and get all the details you will be needing to join. But in case you're a bit confused and you need a little clarity on how this company runs, just let me know on the comment section, so I will be able to guide you through the process if you are really interested on joining this company. This is my 3rd year of dealing with this company, and I will attest that in all of those years I have been enjoying, I have been getting the benefits from this company. So if you are really interested, just do let me know and let's take it up from there. Once again, Noble Mary, I am super grateful. I am so excited with this gift. So remember guys, as I told you earlier, all the stuffs I did not pay for them. I have already gotten my money and extra whopping cash, extra money of what I contributed with this company. All these things you are seeing here, they are free of charge. I did not pay for it. The only thing I did was to rebuild them down here by myself. But if you are staying in Lagos or you stay around Lagos, it will be more easier for you, as you wouldn't be paying for any wellbe. You will just go into the company and get your stuff down to your home. So guys, my heart is really full of joy, coming from the semolina, from the oil, from the teas, from the nut cubes, for the noodle packs. And one thing again is the rice. Like, they gave us the best strands of rice, the best grains of rice. Like, the brand of rice they gave us is Big Bull rice. If you know Big Bull, you should know that Big Bull is one of the best grain rice you can get here in Nigeria. It's a local foreign rice, and the strands are very good. The taste is also nice. It tastes really great. So they have to package those rice into all the smaller patches like this, like for in forms of 3 kg. And I'm telling you guys, this company, they are doing wonders. They are doing wonders. So if you are interested in this one, leave a comment down. Let's take it up from there, so you too can gain from this company. You can make cool cash for yourself and also keep food on your table. Like, I have been gaining a lot, so I decided to share this one to you guys, so you all can see all I gain. So guys, if you have been watching up to those very moments, thank you for tuning in. And if you find this video really helpful, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share to your friends and family. People that are really interested on this kind of stuff, share it to them so they can see the wonders and goodness of this company, so they too can join and make money from this. And if you're not yet a subscriber, what are you waiting for? Please hit that subscribe button, turn up your post notification, and make sure you like this video. I know you like what you see, so like this video, share to your friends and family. So I'll be leaving you guys here until my next one. So see you guys and remain blessed. Bye bye.